What's up, you guys? It's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to hit back. I've got 4 exercises for us to really target that bra bulge area and lower unwanted back fat. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a weight. We're going to be doing some exercises that need weights and a yoga mat. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Getting started with plate rows. You would normally do this with one of those plate weights at the gym, but I don't have a plate weight, so we're using a dumbbell. You can also use a kettlebell. What you want to do is lean over and keep your back as straight as possible and bring the weight up to your chest. We're going to do 3 sets of 10. Go ahead and follow along. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and get into our last set. Great job. Take a 10 to 15 second rest and get ready for oblique crunches. So go ahead and lay on your side, and the side that you're leaning on, extend that leg out flat. Then take your other leg and bend your knee. Put your arm behind your head, bend your elbow, and bring your side up to the knee that's bent. Try to get as close with your elbow and that knee as possible. We got 3 sets of 8, you guys. Let's get it. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and get into our last set. Take a 5 to 10 second rest if needed, and let's go ahead and switch sides. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and get into our last set. Great job, that's a toughie. So give yourself a 10 to 15 second rest, and then let's get into back extensions. So extend your arms all the way out in the swimmer position and also point your toes out. Then we're gonna go ahead and lift up our arms and our feet as high as we can off the ground. This is super targeted into our middle back area where the bra bulge and the unwanted fat happens. Got 3 sets of 15, so go ahead and follow along. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and get into our last set. Great job. Take a 5 to 10 second rest, and then we're gonna get into swimmers. So just like our last exercise, we're gonna stay in the same position, but unlike the last exercise, you wanna keep your feet on the ground if possible. And then with our arms, we're gonna bring them out in front of us, and we are going to pull them back. This is working our upper back muscles as well as our bra bulge again. Give yourself a 5 to 10 second rest, and let's get into set 2. Take a 5 to 10 second rest and get into our last set. And that's it, you guys. That is today's workout. I hope your back feels good. Give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. As always, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.